Hi, this is Ryan Brown from mockquestions.com. Here are 5 of our best tax revenue officer interview questions voted by our users. Question number 1. What do you feel is the most important skill a tax revenue officer should possess? Here's how you answer. The interviewer asks this question to determine if you have the qualities they are looking for. Review the job description before your interview and look for keywords the agency used to describe its ideal candidate. Then, choose the keyword that you believe is the most important skill, showing the interviewer that you have the characteristics they are looking for. Here's our answer example. I believe a tax revenue officer's most essential skill is strong communication. A tax revenue officer has to communicate effectively with taxpayers, colleagues, and supervisors verbally and in written form. Question number 2. Have you ever testified in court? If so, how was your experience? Here's how you answer. If you have never testified in court, be honest and say that you have not. Then discuss your communication skills and comfort with public speaking. If you have testified in court, tell the interviewer approximately how many times and describe your comfort level in doing so. Here's our answer example. As a new tax revenue officer, I have never testified in court. However, I feel confident in my investigative skills and do not have an issue speaking in public. I have excellent communication and documentation skills, and I feel those skills will help me when testifying in court for the first time. Question number 3. How do you handle a dispute with a taxpayer? Here's how you answer. Your response to this question gives the interviewer insight into your problem solving, communication, and conflict resolution skills. Give a detailed explanation of how you handled a past disagreement with a taxpayer. You do not necessarily need to describe the reason for the dispute, just how you dealt with it. Here's our answer example. Over the years, I have found I can fix most disputes with honest, open communication. When a taxpayer is allowed to explain why they are bothered by something, I listen and try to come to a resolution that makes them happy. Most conflicts are simply a misunderstanding or lack of communication. Question number 4. Describe a time your ethics were tested. Here's how you answer. The interviewer asks this question to see if you are honest and have integrity. Focus on an example of a time you had your ethics tested as a tax revenue officer. If you are new to this field, use an example from a previous job or while attending school. Here's our answer example. I had my ethics tested when working as a tax preparer. I had a client who asked me to falsify their tax return so they would get a larger refund. I refused and explained that I could lose my license and go to jail for falsifying documents. I also told them they could go to jail and asked them to find another tax preparer to do their return. I refused to work with unethical people. Question number 5. Would you ever unfairly target a political group? Here's how you answer. Assure the interviewer that you would not target any group and treat everyone equally and fairly. Focus on being empathetic but professional when responding. You want the interviewer to understand that you treat everyone with dignity and respect. Here's our answer example. Of course not. I would never unfairly target anyone. I do not let my political or religious beliefs interfere with my job, and I treat everyone with dignity and respect. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below. That really does motivate us to continue creating videos. Also, if you want to get more interview practice, stick around for more suggested videos by Mock Questions, or visit us at mockquestions.com where we have thousands of career and company interview questions created by our professional interviewers.